Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V21e 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can take screenshot using accessibility menu option in your phone Vivo V21e 5G. First, go to the screen for which you want to take a screenshot. But before, you have to set the settings first. Go to settings of your phone here and click on shortcuts and accessibility. Click on shortcuts and accessibility. Click on accessibility and click on accessibility menu and turn on the button against accessibility menu shortcut and give all permissions. Click on got it. This is accessibility menu icon. Now go to the screen for which you want to take a screenshot, and I would like to take a screenshot from faculty teachers website. This is my own website for listing faculty and teachers job. To take screenshot, click on the accessibility menu icon here and select screenshot icon here, and screenshot will be taken. Once again I show the demo. Click on the accessibility menu icon and select screenshot icon there, and screenshot will be taken. To access the captured screenshot, go to File Smartphone and click on Internal Storage. Click on DCIM folder, click on Screenshots and locate the screenshot which will be seen in the last. This is the screenshots that I took using accessibility menu icon in my phone Vivo V21e 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.